Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I am going to discuss 2017 O-Level Business and Accounting Studies first paper. Previously I already discussed 2016 first paper. Okay, we'll start. Answer the question number 1 to 5, paying attention to the following case. Shakti, who is conducting a business as Shakti Construction to provide residents, received the Best Constructor Award for the year 2016. Shakti uses bricks only produced by himself for his construction. First question. What is the basic human need satisfied by the business Shakti Construction in this case? It is very clear that Shakti is constructing houses. Then basic need is housing. Question number 2. To what type of business organization does the business of Shakti Construction in this case belong? According to the case, there is Shakti is only the person who doing the business. Accordingly, this organization is sole proprietorships. Question number 3. To which production factor do the bricks used Shakti Constructions belongs? Production factor. Bricks means in Sinhala we call gadol. Bricks produced by the Shakti, accordingly it is capital. It is not land because bricks is not a natural resource. Next question. Select the correct statement about the business of Shakti Construction in this case. Registration of the name of this business is not compulsory. No, it is compulsory because it is not in the full name of the owner. Therefore, it should be registered. Next one, the cost of bricks in this business is a direct production cost. Yes, bricks is a direct production cost for house production. Accordingly, answer is second one. Actually, it is direct material cost. Bricks is a direct material cost. We'll check the other two answers. This business has a legal entity. No, there is no legal entity for sole proprietorships. The liability of Shakti on this business is limited. No, the owner's liability is not limited on the sole proprietorships. Okay. Question number 5. To which management function do the supply of bricks produced by Shakti himself for building houses belongs? That is organizing. Under the organizing, purchase of assets, recruitment of employees, and supplying relevant materials under organizing factor. Question number 6. Following are the certain goals of stakeholders: obtaining a reasonable salary, collecting taxes, obtaining orders continuously. Select the answer that shows stakeholders who are interested in the above goals A, B, and C in correct order. We'll check the answers. First one is obtaining a reasonable salary, that is employees. Next one, collecting taxes, government. Obtaining orders continuously, suppliers. Then employees government suppliers. Answer number 1. Next one, completion of a master degree on a business management by the owner of a business is, that is, owners means internal environment factor. Accordingly, we can identify through the internal environment strength and weaknesses. Then when owner get a master degree regarding the business management, it is a strength to the business. Then answer number 1 for question number 7. Okay, next one, question number 8. Following is a magnetic in character recognition, MICR of a check, A, B, C, D. The number related to A and C. Actually, MICR column represent first one under A, check number, B, bank number, C, branch number, branch code or number, D is account number. Accordingly, A and C, A is the check number and C is the branch code. Account number and branch code. Check number, sorry, A is check number and branch code. Bank branch code. Next one. A cross-check received Sepala's name was rejected by the bank officer when it was presented to be deposited to his current account in People's Bank Gold. What is the crossing indicated in the check? First one, not negotiable. That check is Sepal can deposit his account. Second one, account pay only, that also same. He can deposit any account, his account. Next one, People's Bank Gold also, he can deposit only People's Bank Gold branch. Bank of Ceylon Gold, he can't deposit Bank of Ceylon Gold crossing check to the People's Bank Gold. Then answer is answer number 4 for question number 9. Sadun has insured his motor vehicle, which is valued 1 million to the same amount. In an accident, 400,000 worth damage occurred to the motor vehicle. Sadun claimed 1 million compensation for the damage from the insurance company. How much is compensation Sadun received from the insurance company? Normally, we already know that the insurance pay compensation to the worth of damage. Accordingly, worth of damage is 400,000. Answer number 1. Next one. An email is an internal electronic verbal note. First answer we can reject due to the verbal. Second answer also we can reject due to the verbal because email is not an verbal communication. Second one, electronic sign. Email is not an sign communication also. Then external electronic written communication. That answer number 4 is the suitable answer. Next one. Question number 12. While the Colombo port is blank of the element of transportation, the Nevesca ladyship which arrived the Colombo port is bracket of the element of transportation. Select the answer shows the suitable terms 1 and 2. Accordingly, Colombo Port is terminal and Colombo Port is terminal and Colombo Port is terminal and Nevesca Ladyship is mode. Then answer number 2. Answer number 2. Next one, a wholesale trade from the following is wholesale. Wholesale means purchasing goods for resale purpose. Then we have to identify what is the resale purpose purchase. Selling 100 milk packets by a milk bar give to the elephants in Udawalawa Elephant Orphanage. That is a retail transaction because it is not resale purpose. Retail transaction. Selling peanuts by Radha to the passengers in a train. That is also retail transaction. Selling 1,000 roofing tiles by a factory to Bhatia for roofing his house. That is also retail transaction. Fourth one, selling flowers in small scale by Mali to flower shops. Flower shops buy flowers from Mali on resale purpose. Accordingly, that is wholesale trade transaction. Answer number 4. Out of the following, select the correct statement with regard to the management. Organization is a forming employees of their duties and directing them to these duties by the management. No, it is not organization. Organizing. First one is under leading. Actually, first one is under leading. First one described leading. Second one, planning is the determining the aims of an organization and designing the ways of means of achieving them. Yes, that is the answer. We can identify planning, the words of determining, designing, like. Then answer is the answer for question number 14 is second one. We'll check the other answer. Controlling is directing of human resources. Controlling is directing of human resource in organization in order to implement the plan objective. No, that is organizing. Third one, organizing. Next one, leading is investigating whether the quality products have been produced as planned. No, that is controlling. Fourth one is controlling. Okay, next one. Question number 15. Several businesses and target consumer groups are given in column X and Y respectively. We have to match column X and Y. First one, Suva 7 hospital patients. First one, C, Harita rest, tourist. CD, Dimutu school uniform suppliers, school children. CDA, public library readers. B, CD, A, B, question number 15, answer number 4. Next one, question number 16. The return not received from investing in ordinary shares Dividend income, yes. Dividend income can get ordinary shareholders as their return for their investment. Second one, interest income. Ordinary shareholders can't get interest income. Accordingly, answer is second one. We'll check the other answer. Voting rights. Voting rights can get ordinary shareholders to appoint the director board. They can get the voting rights. Capital gains also they can get by reselling the ordinary shares with higher value than the purchase value. They can get capital gain. Accordingly, question number 16 answer is 2. Following is a transaction occurred in, next we'll start to the accounting part of the paper from question number 17. Following is a business transaction occurred in a business. Purchase a stock of goods of 50,000 in cash. Because of this transaction in the business, when purchasing stocks on cash, cash deduct and stock increase. Cash decrease and stock increase. Both are assets, cash and stock for goods, that is assets. Accordingly, only the assets change. Answer is first one. Next one. Out of the following, select the transaction that does not affect the equity. Paying 4,000 rate in cash. Rate is an expenditure. When paying the expenditure, equity is decreased. Receiving 500 additional income in cash. When receiving the additional income, equity is increased. Paying 500,000 creditors to the owner from his own money. When owner uses his own money to pay liabilities in the business, his equity is increased. Next one, paying 200 accrued electricity expenses in cash. Accrued electricity means accrued electricity expenses is a liability. That is liability paying. That is not affecting to the equity of the business when paying the liability. The accrued expenditure means paying expenditure. Accrued income means receivable income. Next one. These are a business purchased a stock of goods at a cost of 20,000 on credit. Then 10% trade discount was deducted. Further, 10% cash discount was received when paid in money. The net impact on assets when the above transaction of Thisara business was recorded in the accounting equation is, we'll check the answer. Thisara purchased 20,000 worth of goods under credit basis and he got 10% trade discount. In accounting, we do not take any transactions for trade discount. We recorded only the net value. That means deducting trade discounts from the worth of goods. Accordingly, when calculate the trade discount to 20,000 worth of goods, that is 2,000. Then we recorded the worth of goods purchased on credit basis as 18,000. However, when paying the money to creditors, Thisara got a 10% discount. Thisara got a 10% discount as a cash discount. Cash discount we have to record in the account. Cash discount got 10% from 18,000. That means 108,800. 1,800 cash discount received. Then paying amount is to the creditors is 16,200. 16,200. Accordingly, due to the above transaction, stock increased 20,000. We have to calculate the net impact on assets. Stock increase 20,000, and when paying the creditors, cash decrease 16,200. Accordingly, difference is 1,800. Increase in assets 1,800. Increase in assets 1,800. Increase in assets 1,800. Increase in assets 1,800. Okay, next one. What is the correct double entry related to the cash payment of Tisara business? When paying to settle 18,000 balance of creditors to get 10% discount. Accordingly, creditors debit 18,000. Creditors debit 18,000. Cash credit 16,200. Discount received account credit 1,800. That is discount received is an income account. Discount received is an income account. Accordingly, question number 20 is answer number 3. 21. While the sales accounts in the ledger of a business bracket account drawings account is bracket account. Sales is an income account. Actually, sales is the main income source of the business, and drawings is equity. Drawings is an equity account. Income and equity. Question number 21, answer number 1. Income and equity. Actually, drawings account represent debit balance. However, according to the normal accounting principles, equity account represent credit balance. But drawings accounts we consider at decreasing equity account. Decreasing equity account. Out of the following, select the transaction that should be recorded in the general journal. Normally, we record the transaction general journal, which is not recorded the other primary book. We'll check the answer. Obtaining 2,000 cash by the owners for personal use. It is not recorded in the general journal. It is recorded in the cash book. Writing off 2,000 from debtors as bad debts. Yes, when writing off the debtor bad debts from debtors, it has to record in general journal. Next one, purchasing machine for 100,000 in cash from the use of business. That is also recorded in the cash book. That is, since it is a cash transaction. Purchasing a stock of goods 10,000 to the business on credit. When purchase the goods mean resale purpose. Purchase. Resale purpose purchase on credit basis record in the purchase journal. Okay, next one. The balance of the bank account as at 30th September 2017 was 14,100. The balance of the bank statement was different on that date due to the following reasons. A. Check deposited but not presented realized were 8,000. B. Direct remittances received to the bank from the debtors were 2,500. C. Insurance payment on standing orders was 3,500. From the above, which caused to increase the balance in the bank account than the balance in the bank statement? We'll check. Check deposited but not realized. Due to the check deposited but not realized, bank account balance increased than bank statement. Direct remittance received to the bank from the debtors. Due to the direct remittances, bank statement balance increase and bank account balance decrease, then we can get answer number B. Then insurance payment on standing order. Due to the standing orders, payment standing order, the bank statement decrease. Due to the decrease of bank statement, bank account balance increase. Accordingly, we can select C also as the answer. Then answer is A and C. The adjusted bank balance as at 30th September 2017. When preparing the adjusted bank account, we have to we have not to take checks deposited but not realized, because that is not a mistake under the bank account. We have to take B and C because the transactions of B and C are not recorded in the bank account. Then opening balance debit 14,100, and we have to direct remittance received 2,500. We have to debit adjusted bank book, and we have to credit payment standing orders 3,500 adjusted bank book. Then adjusted bank balance is 13,100. Question number 25. The amount of petty cash interest of Sarana's business was 3,000. The petty cash expenses during the month of September 2017 was 2,800. On the 1st of October, 3,300 has been reimbursed. Select the correct statement with regard to the petty cash of Sarana's business. We'll check the answer. The value of the petty cash impressed for the month of October is 3,500. The value of the petty cash impressed for month of October, yes, that is 3,500, because reimbursed amount is 3,300, and opening balance of the petty cash here is 3,000 minus 208,800 is 200. Accordingly, the petty cash interest is 3,500. Next, we'll check the other answer. The balance with the petty cash here as at 30th September is 500. No, it is 200. That 3,000 minus 2,800. It is 200. The petty cash expenses for the month of September is 3,300. No, it is correctly indicated in this statement as 2,800. Next one, increase the petty cash interest from the October is 300. No, previously petty cash interest is 3,000 and it is increased up 500. Then Petty cash interest increase from September to October is 500. Accordingly, correct answer is first one. Next one, purchasing journal is a very simple question. Prime entry book. Purchase journal is a prime entry book. Next one, obtaining 10 pots of curd by Shakti that are produced in her own business for her family function is recorded in. That is drawings. Uh, goods drawings we have to record in the general journal. Owner get her personal use goods in the business, goods drawing. Next one, the double entry which records as the discounts allowed data to a data of 1,200 of a business is as follows. Discounts allowed account debit 2,100 and debtors account credit 2,100. Because of the above entry, the total of the debit and credit columns of the trial balance are not equal. No. There is no effect to the trial balance due to the above entry because debit entry and credit entry recorded same value. The value is not correct value, but same value recorded. Then we can't. There is no effect to the trial balance. Next one, debit balance of rupees 900 occurs in suspense account because it is also not the answer because when there is no effect to the trial balance, it is not effect to the suspense accounts also. Next one, discount allowed rupees 900 has been recorded in relevant accounts in excess. Discount allowed 900 has been recorded in relevant accounts in excess. Yes. Discount allowed record 900 excess because the double entry for discount allowed is discount allowed debit, debtors account credit. There is no doubt. Answer is the number 3 for question number 28. Discount, we'll check the other answer. Discount allowed 900 has been recorded in incorrect sites. No, it is records in correct sites. Then answer is third one. 29. The double entry rectify the above errors is. Double entry to rectify the above errors is debtors account debit 900 and discounts allowed account credit 900. Answer is first one for question number 29. Next one. Next question is under the non-profit making organizations. The number of members in Sipiri Sports Association as at 1st January 2016 were 200. The monthly membership fee per member is 50 for the year 2016. 30 members have not paid their membership fee. Select the incorrect statement with regard to the above sports association. The membership fee indicated in the income statement for the year 2016 is 120,000. Yes, membership fee is 120,000 because total number of members total numbers of members 200, and monthly membership fee is 50. Then annual per membership fee is 600. 50 into 12, 600. Then we have to 200 into 600 is 120,000. First one is correct. Second one, the membership fee indicated in the receipts and payment accounts for the year 2016 is 102,000. We'll check the receipts and payment account means no, is the cash account. 30 members have not paid their membership fee. 30 members have not paid their membership fee. Accordingly, 30 into 600 is 18,000. Then 120,000 minus 18,000 is 102,000. That is receipts received amount membership fee. It is also correct. Third one, monthly membership fee income is 10,000. Monthly membership fee income calculate 200 multiplied by 50, that is 10,000. That is also correct. The membership fee received for the year to be received for the year 2016 is 1,500. That is incorrect statement because membership fee received for the year 2016 is 18,000. 18,000 calculate 200 into 600. Sorry, 30 into 600, 18,000. Select the correct answer for the following blank. Direct material cost plus direct labor cost plus direct other direct costs. Actually, direct cost, prime cost here represent, and prime cost plus production overhead cost is total production cost. Then we have to plus here production overhead cost. Question answer number 2. Next one, expenditure of rupees 8,000 is spent on purchase of clay by a business which produces bricks is a part of. We check the answer. 32. First one is primary cost. Yes. Clay is a primary cost, actually direct material cost for bricks production. Then answer is 1. We'll check the other answer. Production overhead of that business. No, that is a prime cost, direct cost. Indirect cost, no, that is also we can reject. Indirect material, no, that is direct material cost. Okay. Next one, question number 33. On 1st January 2015, a machine was purchased for rupees 600,000. The effective lifetime of the machine was 5 years. At the end of the lifetime, the scrap value of the machine was 100,000. How much is the accumulated depreciation that should be indicated in the statement of financial position as at 31st December 2016? Accumulated depreciation. Then from January 1st of January 2015 to from 1st of January 2016 to 31st January December 2016, 2 years period. 1st of January 2015 to December 31st of 2015, 1 year, and 1st of January 2016 to December 31st, 2016, another 1 year, and the total period is 2 years. And accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation means total depreciation for that 2 years period. When we calculate the annual depreciation, we have to decrease purchase value of the, we have to decrease scrap value from the purchase value. Then depreciable value is 500,000. We have to deduct 500,000 from useful lifetime, that is 5. Then annual depreciation is 100,000 and total depreciation is 200,000 for 2 years period. Insuring the building of a business on 1st July 2016, rupees 18,000 has been paid the same day as annual insurance fee. Select the correct statement with regard to above transaction. Insurance fee indicated in the statement of profit and loss for the year 31st December 2016 is 18,000. No, that is incorrect because there are only 6-month period affected to these transactions for the year ended 2016, 31st December of 2016. Then we have to record as the insurance fee 9,000. Accrued insurance fee is 9,000. No, there is no any accrued transaction here. Here is prepaid transaction. Current liability, there is no current liability. Prepaid expenditure is a current assets. It's a current assets. Prepaid insurance fee as at 31st December 2016 is 9,000. That is the correct answer. 9,000 is prepaid insurance fee because when considering the accounting year as the ending date as 31st December 2016, insurance has paid to another 6 months. Insurance has paid to up to 30th June 2017. Then 6-month period, that is prepaid insurance as 9,000 we can identify. Okay. Next one. Next question number 35 to 40 related under the financial statements. Following are the financial statements prepared for the year ended 31st December 2016 by a trainee accounts clerk for the business which was started on 1st January 2016, employing 330,000 by Sumudu. Then statement of profit and loss and statement of financial position, but the structures are wrong because it has indicated as a trainee account clerk. The statement of profit and loss and statement of financial position structures are not correct structures, but we can find the value and value for the relevant amounts. Then we try to find the answer. First one, cost of sales of the business. Year ended 31st December 2016. And then we have to calculate, get carriage purchases plus carriage inwards, because here there is no opening stock because this is new business. There is no opening balances, and further statement of financial position not indicate any closing stock balance. Accordingly, cost of sales is total of the purchase and carriage inwards 165,000. Next one, gross profit. Gross profit calculates, gross profit is the sales minus cost of sales. Accordingly, sales is 250,000. Cost of sales is, we already know that 165,000. And then 250,000 minus 165,000 is 85,000. Gross profit is 85,000. The total establishment and administration expenses indicated in the statement of profit and loss. Establishment and administration means administration expenses. We'll check the answer. First we have to identify what are the administration, and we have to get the total of such administration expenses. Advertising expense, that is distribution expense. Rent is an administration expenditure. Bank loan interest, that is financial expenditure. Electricity charges also an administration expenditure. Discounts allowed is distribution expenditure. Then there are two administration expenses as rent and electricity charges. Then total of the rent and electricity charges 12,000 plus 2,500, 14,500. Third one, question number 37, third one. Next one. Question number 38. What is the amount of bank interest paid in the cash? Okay. Then annual bank interest is 6,000. Annual bank interest is 6,000. Then accrued bank interest is 2,500. Then when we deduct the accrued bank interest from bank loan interest 6,000, that is 3,500. Question number 38, answer number 2, 3,500. Next one. The increase of equity of the business from 1st January 2016 to 31st December 2016. Increase of the equity. According to the statement of financial position, net profit is only the cost to increase equity. Accordingly, transaction answer is 56,500 because there is no any drawings here. Question number 2. Next one, last question, question number 40. Select the answer which shows the total assets and liabilities of this business as at 31st December 2016 respectively. Select the answer which shows the total assets and total liabilities. Total asset, it is clear that total assets is 475,000. Total assets 475,000. Next one, we have to find total liabilities. Total liabilities, bank loan, creditors, and accrued loan interest. The total of 50,000, 36,000, and 2,500. That is 88,500. Then 475,000 and 88,500. Okay, that is the last question. That is the end of my lesson. I think this would be benefit for you, your O-level exam. Okay, thank you very much.